guys, welcome back to the Prosthodontics series. This would be our lecture 4, and today we will be talking about RPD, which is the shorthand of Removable Partial Dentures Pros. So some of the topics we will be covering in this video include classification of partially edentulous arches, also known as Kennedy classification, major connectors, minor connectors. I'm only covering these two topics in this video because these are the main ones, and I'm going to be going deep into each one of these. And I'm going to be talking about maxillary major connectors and then mandibular major connectors, and similarly for the minor connectors as well. So let's begin. So the first thing I want us to know in any RPD is Kennedy classification. One, it's going to be highly tested on the boards. Two, this is like the basis of